Pickle or json? I need to save to disk a little dict object whose keys are the type str and values are ints and then recover it. Something like this. What is the best option and why? Serialize it with Pickle or with json? I am using Python 2.6.
If you do not have any interoperability requirements, for example you are just going to use the data with Python, and a binary format is fine, go with Pickle, which gives you really fast Python object serialization. If you want interoperability or you want a text format to store your data, go with json, or some other appropriate format depending on your constraints.
I prefer json over Pickle for my serialization. Unpickling can run arbitrary code, and using Pickle to transfer data between programs or store data between sessions is a security hole. json does not introduce a security hole and is standardized, so the data can be accessed by programs in different languages if you ever need to.
You might also find this interesting, with some charts to compare. This URL.
If you are primarily concerned with speed and space, use Pickle because Pickle is faster than json. If you are more concerned with interoperability, security, and/or human readability, then use json. The test results referenced in other answers were recorded in 2010, and the updated tests in 2016 with Pickle Protocol 2 show Pickle 3.8x faster loading, Pickle 1.5x faster reading, Pickle slightly smaller encoding. Reproduce this yourself with this gist, which is based on the Constantine's benchmark referenced in other answers, but using Pickle with Protocol 2 instead of Pickle, and using json instead of json, since json is faster than json, for example. Results with Python 2.7 on a decent 2015 Xeon processor. Python 3.4 with Pickle Protocol 3 is even faster.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.